So this is a box. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Malati and I am from Chhattisgarh, and I am shooting video in the evening at 4 p.m. in the evening, and it's video about action video. I will create video in English, right? So something I will do in action and I will speak in English, right? For example, I am opening door, so I will do this that time. So this is the thing I will do, and I will shoot the video. Okay, so let's start how I can do. So let's start. So let me show you a box we are every single day we are using. So let me show you and speak in English. Okay, so this is a box, makeup box, I could say, right? So in this box lots of things. Let me show you and speak in English. Okay, so first thing is come out. This is compact powder. This is compact powder everyone uses during doing makeups, right? So, and second thing is lip balm. Lip balm is very necessary, very necessary for every woman and man also, because lip balm is very important to moisturize your lips, right? And third thing is this is nail polish, and everyone using nail polish. Fourth thing is cream. This is the cream, Fair Lovely Grow Lovely cream. This is eyeliner and eyeshadow, kajal, but I'm not using every day, right? Let me show you lots of things. And we have oh my god, earrings, right? Lots of earrings everyone has, right? This one, and see this one, this is, right? Many more things every woman use for their makeups. They do makeup when they want to go out, and they want to go market or wedding day and special vacation. They want to do makeup, but at home they don't want to do makeup, and they want to be simple in at their home. Everyone comb their hair when they want to get ready and they want to step out, but at home every woman never want to do makeup, and because every woman or every girls feel lazy to do makeup, comb their hair because the laziness. Yes, this is the thing every girls doing at their homes, right? Now it's time 4:20 p.m. and I want to go body to do work. There is some work to do, I could say. Sometimes I get distracted from my video content, because sometimes in my mind has blank and there is no any word to talk, but I'm randomly talking because something in English in coming in mind and I am talking. Please don't judge me if you are watching my video. I have lots of earrings to wear, but this I have lots of long earring, I could say, and tops कर सकते हैं tops. I don't have any tops earrings. I have only big earrings, large earrings, I could say. For this video, for content, I get ready like this. Apart from video, apart from content, every woman feel laziness. And men, if women want to click photo That time women want to get ready and they want to feel confident and they want to click photos, and that time they do lots of makeup in their face. Yeah, and lots of doing hairstyles, some using body lotion, especially winter season, and some, what is this? This is the bindi, and everyone using forehead, in their forehead special. This is called bindi, and this is aloe vera gel, and using their face, especially for winter season. Everyone using moisturizer lotion. Come here. Hi Neha. So Neha is coming here. She is my sister. Come beside me. Sit beside me. Yeah. Come here. Let's talk to me first. So why you want to go that Opara, that Mohalla? Tell me. Something is special. Tell me. Then I'll go with you. Biha? Who? Which friend? Which friend? Look at the camera. Radha. When? I didn't know that. What? I swear I don't know when. So Neha is quarreled with my sister Meenakshi Patel, and now so I want to talk to her, but they want to fighting with me because she want to go that Mohalla, her friend's wedding. Today her friend's wedding. Okay, I will come. I'll come. So why you want to go that Opara, that Mohalla? Tell me. Something is special. Tell me. Then I'll go with you. Biha? Who? Which friend? Which friend? Look at the camera. Radha. When? I didn't know that. What? I swear I don't know when. So Neha is quarreled with my sister Meenakshi Patel, and now so I want to talk to her, but they want to fighting with me because she want to go that Mohalla, her friend's wedding. Today her friend's wedding. Okay, I will come. I'll come.